Welcome to another day here at Cosign Additive. Today we have day 19 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. In order for me to receive this Halloween themed trophy, in order for me to do that, I have to find a design. I have to slice it, I have to print it, I have to film it, edit it on a daily basis here, and upload it, as well as upload some of the other stuff that's currently going on to generate content for you guys. And we have a lot of stuff that we're working on right now behind the scenes, and I can't wait to show you guys what we got going on. We're going to continue on with the challenge and showcase this Wolverine bust. Alright, here's time for a size comparison. Not too bad. Very well detailed for a Wolverine bust. This one can be used as a little piece to showcase in your house for a Halloween theme with his orange outfit. Get the orange colors in there. That's where that Halloween theme comes into play. And with Hugh Jackman announcing that he's returning as Wolverine one last time for Deadpool 3, I thought it'd be a great idea to go ahead and throw a Wolverine bust in the mix somehow, in some way. Do me a big old favor, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of content on the way, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video at 9 a.m. Central Time.